Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making ham and cheese sliders. Now guys, these are so delicious. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. Yo, the first thing we're gonna do is prep our ingredients. Ham and cheese sliders use some very tasty and common stuff. We're gonna start by chopping and then mincing an onion. We're also gonna crack an egg and add some water to it. We're gonna whisk the egg and water together and set it aside. We've got some unsalted sweet cream butter and we're going to melt it in the microwave. Also, this is a great time to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. We also have sesame seed. These are dinner rolls. I like to use these because it's easy, it's convenient. You got somebody coming over real quick and you want to hook something up with Worcestershire sauce. Yellow mustard. Some of the poppy seeds. Sesame seeds. Minced onions goes in. And I'm just gonna stir this all together. We're gonna dump out our rolls into a baking sheet lined with a seal pad. You can also use aluminum foil or parchment paper, guys. Next, we're gonna slice our rolls. It's best to do this with a bread knife. Make sure that the rolls are tight together, basically like they came in the package. The next thing we're gonna do is spread on the mayonnaise. I'm gonna do both sides of these with this mayonnaise. Did any of you guys see The Officer and the Gentleman? Now that that's done, we're gonna add a slice of Black Forest ham, or two. It's your kitchen, do what you want. Now I'm gonna add a half sliced cheese at the top of the ham. I'm gonna slap on the tops. Now we're gonna spoon over some of the topping mix all over our little slider goodness. We're gonna let these boys rest up for about 10 minutes. We want all that amazing flavor to soak in, fam. Now we're gonna take some of that egg wash and brush that on top. We're gonna sprinkle some additional sesame seeds and poppy seeds on top of that. The egg wash will help the sesame seeds and poppy seeds stick. We're gonna cover these boys with foil. We're gonna bake our ham and cheese sliders for 12 minutes. We're gonna remove the foil and let them go another couple minutes. We're gonna take them out. Oh, look at that, guys. That's what's up. They're really good. You got Black Forest ham, you got Swiss cheese, those sesame seeds, and those poppy seeds. Oh man, that's what's up. All right, so KENDRA'S out. Peace.